Hello, everyone. Welcome to working title monkey time. I'm Piss Monkey. I got that name because I'm constantly pissing. An ancient witch put a curse on me. Yeah.
Monkey time.
Yes,
Monkey time.
this is the beginning of Monkey Time. I'm a roach, indeed.
And I am a monkey. That is a roach. Indeed.
Yes.
Are you gonna introduce yourself, Soy Monkey?
Well, you just did it for me. That was my ploy all along. I'm Soy Monkey from Mountain Big and Tall, and I have just downed a whole cup and a half of awakened juice. That's why you're hearing me like this.
Yes.
That's true. We have a bar here at the jungle. We do. We drink awakened juice that teaches us the power of proper grammar and syntax.
Indeed. This is the whole point of this podcast. So we can just fuck around and talk.
So you can listen to us monkeys and a roach talk.
Indeed.
We have with us a very special guest today. Barry Baboon. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. Hello, I'm Barry Baboon.
Yeah.
I'm
Woo!
a strawberry and a baboon at the same time.
Whoa. I eat those.
Now I've heard. I've heard. Is this correct? That you are actually some sort of freak of nature created in a laboratory.
Yes, I was created by a scientist by
Indeed.
fusing a strawberry and a baboon. Don't look into the logistics of that.
Truly an abhorrent freak of nature within the jungle. Lovely.
Truly disgusting. Truly a
Horrible.
degenerate
I
freak.
hate looking at you. Like you're
Get outta
sitting
here.
across from me right now, and I just want to puke. I'm actually pissing out puke right now.
Leave. Get outta here.
I'm literally a bug, and you disgust me.
You are the worst thing I have ever seen.
I hate you. I hate that you exist, and I hate that you're here right now.
You
Can
guys
we
gotta
stop?
eat, like,
Can we stop?
bananas
Can we
or-
stop?
Or
Can we
oats,
stop
maybe.
the podcast?
Can we
Because this
can we stop?
creature is so disgusting.
Can we
This horrible, awful creature.
Can we
I
stop
literally
insulting- can we
piss
stop insulting Barry?
constantly. There's
Can
an
we stop
elaborate
insulting Barry?
there's an elaborate system of pipes underneath my chair that goes to my horrible rancid piss-covered tree, and you are more disgusting than I am.
I have been to said piss-covered tree, and you are 1,000 times worse. Get away from me now.
Barry,
What even
Barry,
are
I'm
you?
sorry. Barry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Barry.
Well, you know,
Can we begin?
No, you.
Let us begin our actual podcast.
This is the podcast. We're interviewing Barry Baboon.
It's
You know,
always very
I
bad.
know.
Uh,
I know.
we're
this.
interviewing Barry Baboon. I have
I'm
a
trying to get to
I
the
have,
interview.
I have a question, Barry Baboon. What's it like being so horribly
It's just so
disgusting
fucking terrible.
that nobody
Jesus Christ.
on the planet loves you? What's that
Why
like?
do your teeth do that when you open your mouth, you fucking piece of shit?
Why are you just a writhing ball of
What-
fruit
what is
flesh?
What is it like being so disgusting? You know, I just want to know.
How do you feel that God did not give you legs?
He did. They're inside my body. I can grow them out.
That's
whenever I
even
need
worse.
It's
to.
even
Don't ever
worse.
tell me
No,
things.
stop.
What's your life like as a disgusting, horrible creature, abomination? What's it like?
What is it like?
I'm eternally hungry
That's
One of
enough.
the
Stop. I
flaws-
hate it.
in my mechanisms.
It's just a strawberry monkey fetus. Just stop.
Stuff that Piss Monkey finds on the internet.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this segment. We were interviewing Barry Baboon, but who gives a crap?
Your mom
This
gives
is a
crap.
segment that I've.
Shut the fuck up, Barry.
Shut up! You're disgusting. Why are you even
Your
talking
mom's
to me?
disgusting.
Why did we invite you on the podcast in the first place?
Why do we invite this stinky monster on the podcast? Anyway, this is a segment that I like to call stuff that Piss Monkey finds on the internet.
You don't like to call it that. That's what it's called.
This is. You're right. Yeah.
You literally you force us to call it that.
The same witch that cast the spell that makes me piss eternally also made me cast a spell on me that makes me hold this podcast segment every time I, a monkey, do a podcast. This is a thing I found online. I stole this from my brother and me podcast. They found it online first. It's called riddles.com, and it's exciting, frankly. Now you can look at here, and there's some very standard riddles. But if you sort by new riddles, boys, this is interesting. As a monkey who did not comprehend the concept of riddles until this moment, this is really, really cool. Here's a riddle that I love. It's called the soul. See if you can answer it. What takes a part of your soul but reflects you truly?
Is it a monkey?
No.
Is it floor popcorn?
No.
The piss?
No other guesses?
Is it
Piss.
Treetop.
say it again?
What takes a part of your soul but reflects you truly?
My last
Doesn't
wife,
even follow
Karen.
me.
I'm pretty
I miss
sure
you
it's
so
B.
much. I miss you
It's-
so much, Karen.
A photograph.
What the fuck is that?
Camera? What?
Now, I as a monkey don't know what a photograph is. However,
Yes,
here's
sir.
one. This is a riddle. Now, this isn't called jokes.com. This is called riddles.com, so this is a riddle. What do you call a pickle that delivers mail? A dill livery man.
I'm going to eat you to death.
What has
I'm
toes
going to
but
bite
no...
your neck.
What has toes but no feet or legs?
Barry Baboon.
Barry.
It's tomatoes.
Yeah, Barry Baboon.
Barry, Barry.
I don't think you guys are taking this seriously, okay? Here's a riddle. A riddle
Mom's
I
not
want you to
taking it
take seriously, okay? This
These
is
are-
a serious riddle, and I want you to take it seriously.
We're monkeys and cockroaches. We don't even know what a riddle is.
Well, you do now. I just gave you several really good examples. What's lightest on the ground, but heaviest in the air?
A feather.
Is it like a hot air balloon? That I know what it is because Roach stuff.
No other guesses?
Is it a banana peel?
That's
Balloon.
really close.
I'm pretty
Balloon.
sure it's a feather.
Okay, here we go.
Is it a bird?
What's lightest on the ground but heaviest in the air? This riddle is unanswered. Do you know the answer? If so, click answer plus and add your answer in the comments section.
That was idiotic.
That's gonna keep me up at night.
That was a really good riddle.
Okay,
I can't fucking sleep.
what were we doing? I think we were interviewing somebody.
Barry Baboon, our guest, who we
Don't
invited
do
here
that voice.
who we invited here personally.
Stop.
Barry Baboon, our guest that we invited here personally. man.
Hey Barry, shut the fuck up.
I'm going
Quick
to
break.
beat
Soy
you to
Monkey,
death.
how much time do you have?
Plenty.
Plenty? Okay. What is this?
I don't understand, but cool.
What
Poetry
was
with
that?
Soy Monkey.
Oh,
Poetry with Soy Monkey. Okay.
poetry with Soy Monkey.
I am pissing in excitement. I mean, I'm pissing
Okay.
now, but
Well, sorry. The website that I was on decided to change the actual poem that I chose and just redirect me to a poem called.
What's it called?
Redirect me to a poem called. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys.
hey,
Yes,
we're the monkeys.
It gets better. AKA, get that monkey off my back.
That's the new
Oh, is
name
this
for
an
the
actual
podcast.
poem?
Yeah.
But that's not the poem that I wanted to share. I wanted to share.
This isn't the one you.
No, this is the one. The one that I like is called "The Ape, the Monkey, and Baboon." Not the baboon, just baboon. I'll be doing dramatic reading.
The monkey and baboon.
Okay, here's a dramatic reading for you. The ape, the monkey, and the baboon did meet, and breaking of their fast in Friday Street, two of them swore together solemnly in their tree. Nope, in their three, nature's was a sympathy. Nay, quoth baboon, I do deny that straight. This is terribly written. And you know what, Thomas Wilkes? Screw you for besmudging the fucking monkey name. This has been Poetry with Soy Monkey and a terrible, terrible poem I found online.
Hold on, okay.
Okay.
So Barry Baboon,
Back to Barry, please.
I have a question for you. My guest, Barry Baboon.
Yes.
What's it like being so disgusting all the time?
Yeah, Jesus fucking Christ.
Barry, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Stop fucking breathing, you monster.
I have a legitimate question, Barry, okay? I have a legitimate question. Engage with me for a moment.
Yeah.
Okay, engage with me, your friend Piss Monkey, for just a moment. What do you think of our newest segment, Monkey Movie Reviews?
Monkey movie reviews.
Monkey movie reviews, indeed. Yeah.
Monkey movie
We're gonna be
reviews.
reviewing a movie you might have heard of called The Legend of Star Wars, The Last Rise of Skywalker, something like that.
Yeah, I remember
It's
that
the new one,
pretty well.
the new Star Wars.
Yeah, the newest Star Wars movie.
The Rise of Star
Star
Wars.
Wars movie. Star War.
What do you think?
Star Wars.
What's our opinions on this movie?
There was an ape.
I'd like to. Yeah, there was an ape.
There was
There
an
was
ape.
one chimp. And there was an alien who looked like an orangutan, so...
Sith chimp and orangutan.
That's true. That's two
Greatest
pluses.
movie of all time? We agree?
So-
Greatest movie of all time?
No,
It's not. That would go to Dunstan Checks In.
no, that would go to Joe's apartment.
Oh, no, that would actually go to Shakma.
Shakma!
Joe's apartment.
Okay, so a few negatives. I don't remember there being any bananas in this movie.
If
Indeed.
I think back, I don't think I see any.
Not a single
I don't
banana
remember
or
bananas.
floor.
Something
It was
Paul
an
Rudd 2
orange-
does
an
much better.
orange sword, right? That kind of looks like a banana.
There was a
Yeah,
yellow
yeah.
lightsaber at the end.
Yellow.
Yeah.
That was that. It was yellow.
Which-
Yeah, that's kind of
Indeed,
banana
indeed.
That's
adjacent.
banana-esque.
Banana
Kind of banana
inspiration.
Bananoid.
Bananoid.
It is
One of-
made by a Monopoly. You know who else owned Monopoly? Sam the Banana Man.
Oh. Oh,
yeah,
you know what
that's
else?
True.
One
He
of the main
also
characters-
abused a lot of workers, but you know.
Oh.
Deep
Piss
jungle
Monkey, you know a lot
conspiracy.
about that.
Uh,
Abusing piss tree ants.
no ants live there anymore. The ground is sullied with the sweet scent of my excrement.
They all drowned.
I believe your cock is abused by just the solid stream of piss.
Well, I wouldn't know because I can't use it for literally anything other than peeing.
Damn, you can't sexually jake off your dick meat.
You can't sexually
No,
take
it's
off
impossible.
your dick meat.
I have a
fuck
question.
you.
I have a question for my co-host, Piss Monkey.
I mean, I'm not the interviewee, but okay.
I know. I don't care.
Okay.
One day, will the Earth overflow in a Noah's Ark scenario with your piss?
And who will you take on this arc?
it soaks through the ground at my tree, and it keeps going down until it reaches the Earth's core. The Earth's core, of course, burns it up. So, it does stop flowing eventually. So you don't have to worry about the Earth overflowing.
So are you implying that
my
the
golden
Earth's
tree.
core is filled with boiling piss?
No, it evaporates it. Every year, the Earth smells slightly worse, and that's why.
Oh, okay.
So-
Thank you.
There's just a
greenhouse
yellow
gases.
mist every year that like.
Barry, stop talking.
Barry, if you disgusting animal say one
Barry-
more word,
Barry, our guest, please stop talking.
I take offense to you calling him an animal.
Across the jungle.
We are
Anyway,
going to
let's-
beat you to death.
Let's talk about Wood Ape, boys. How good is Wood Ape? Pretty cool
Wood
guy,
Ape.
right?
Wood Ape.
What
He's
is?
not even on the
just
show.
I know, he's just an absolute stand-up ape, don't
Wood
you
Ape's
think?
good. Wood Ape's much better than Barry Baboon.
Can we? Why
Infinitely
didn't
better.
we should have brought Wombat? We should have brought Wombat instead. Not
Oh,
gonna
we
lie.
should have brought one back.
Barry
Listen,
sucks.
I have my own things to offer. I may have 300 followers, but I
Shut up, Barry.
have nothing to offer.
I don't know. I think you have nothing to offer.
New segment idea. This just came to me. Epic Jungle Star Wars roleplay session.
Okay.
Is this like
Okay,
sexual? What's going on?
I'm Palpatine, right? Because his name
Okay.
starts with P and my name starts with P. Soy Monkey, you're Ray.
Okay.
Roach, you're Ben Kenobi.
Ben Kenobi.
Barry, I don't care who you are. You're
I'm
you're
Yoda.
Rose.
I'm
Oh,
Yoda,
you're
fuck
Yoda?
you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and I'm Palpatine, and you have to stop me. Okay.
Ray, I am.
My name's Ben Kenobi. I'm a poorly written character. And
I am the Sith.
And I am all the Jedi, and also have 2 lightsabers.
Feel your hate flow through you.
I tried to kill the main female character in 2 movies, but now all of a sudden we're in love because of something.
No, that's Ben Solo, you idiot.
Yeah, what the
I'm
fuck
Ben
is wrong with you?
Kenobi, as in Obi-Wan Kenobi, you dummy.
Hey,
Idiot.
You peepee head.
You're
Shut up.
Obi-Wan, okay? You're Obi-Wan. You're not
No one
Ben
calls him
Solo.
Ben. That's a fake name, you fake
Yo, why
Star
would
Wars
you-
fan.
Everyone
would you
calls him
call-
Ben in the original trilogy.
Oh,
Like they
Ben
call him
Kenobi.
Ben through all 3 movies.
Fuck
Or
you.
Luke
They call him
does.
Ben. Uncle Owen calls him Ben like twice. And
Piss
Obi
Luke
Monkey,
calls
you
him
ru-
Ben the entire series.
Piss Monkey, you ruined the Star Wars roleplay.
Go
Damn it.
go rewatch the movies. Luke only calls him Ben. They call him Obi-Wan like twice in the entire original series. Okay,
I'm going to beat you to death. I'm
resume
the real
roleplay.
Star
Resume
Wars
roleplay.
right,
Roach, you're Obi-Wan. Okay.
Force Ghost, I'm dead.
I'm all the
Feel-
Jedi.
Feel
Jet-
the Sith flow through you.
Ray,
I'm
I'm
all the
inside
Jedi.
of you. I'm inside you.
Ray, you are Ray Palpatine now.
Oh no.
I don't have any evidence, but you should believe me. I am an old man.
Oh
Ray,
my
make a-
god,
make-
I'm seeing images of my parents who I never fucking saw with my long
Crawl
term
inside
memory.
Palpatine's colon. I must.
Yes.
Eat him from the inside. I will.
You fool, Yoda. Goes exactly to my plans. You see, it was my design all along that you would crawl up my colon, so that
Continue
Alderaan
eating,
would
I
lift
must.
the embargo. You see, all
up to your
according
brain.
to my
I
plan.
must.
Shit inside your mouth, I will.
Feel my brain flow through you.
Eat your brain like Swiss cheese. I will.
I'm Ray Romano now. Deborah.
Hey guys, welcome to Ray Romano Roleplay.
Deborah. I'm Raven's brother now. I hate everything. I hate my brother. My parents love him more than me.
It's a great podcast, guys.
I hate you, Robert.
Man, Piss Monkey is so good at voices.
Okay.
Yeah.
Question for Barry Baboon, our guest.
What got you started?
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Why were you born?
Where do you see yourself
He
in
wasn't
15
born.
minutes?
He was made.
Why?
Okay, so
Thank you for that answer.
Yes. In 10 years, I see myself dead because I have a very short lifespan.
oh no. Well, I mean, that's
Baboon
bad
is
for
going
you,
to
but-
die.
but,
I'm gonna consume his rotting sweet strawberry carcass.
Oh,
Ew.
okay. Roach will outlive us all.
I will become
Roach.
God, destroyer of worlds.
Roach, what's
Fear
it
before
like
me.
having like 10
You shall
billion
all
children a year or whatever you people do?
What do you mean by you people?
You people!
Well,
First of
you're,
all-
I mean, you're a
First of
roach.
all-
You're
first of
literally
all,
a
no,
different.
no, no, no.
You're
Shut
literally
up.
a different
Shut up,
species.
Piss. Shut up, piss. Do you
That's my
understand
name.
The struggles? Do you understand the struggles I have to go through? I
Are you
have
trying to
work.
use my name as an insult?
Hey,
Roach
piss,
writes.
Piss. I have to struggle with boots. Do you understand how fearful I am of boots?
I have
And
to
Raid?
struggle with global warming.
Do you understand? I can't play Raid Shadow Legends because it has Raid in the title.
Oh, that's.
Bro, no cap though. The monkey from Dora is pretty scary.
yo, the monkey from
He
played
do
by
got,
Machete. He's
he
literally
do got
played
the
by
drip
Machete.
though. The drip though. Not gonna lie with those boots.
Oh, can we talk about how Antonio Banderas is the highlight of the Spy Kids franchise?
Have you guys seen Men in Black?
That's
Oh,
my
yeah.
favorite movie. That and Joe's Apartment.
Okay, I just thought of this. Could you give a monkey waves?
A monkey what?
Waves.
Like,
Is that
oh,
a thing you could do?
like a
Yeah.
durag? Like
That
durag
monkey
and
got the
wave?
drip.
Hey, yo.
Not gonna lie though, the monkey do got the waves.
Yo,
I bet
give
you
Barry,
could. It depends on the monkey, probably.
give Barry red waves, bro. You need a
Yep, that's actually how the arc ends.
Barry gets waves.
He gets waves. That's it.
He gets waves like painstakingly carved into his fucking berry body.
He screams throughout the entire process because
It's just like 10 minutes of screaming of like ape screeches with
It's
a
hyper-realistic.
video of him being carved.
his
No,
flesh.
video of an actual strawberry, just being carved with a knife.
Barry, if you could be less disgusting, would you?
He would have waves. That would make him infinitely less disgusting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'd
if
have
you could be
waves
if
and I
you
would
had
get
the
the
option,
drip.
if you had the option to lose your ability to float and grow limbs at will, or
If you
whatever
had the
it is
option
you
to stop pissing, would you?
You would just be monkey then. You wouldn't be important.
Yeah, would you like to be Baboon, Barry? Would you
I
just
mean,
like to be
I'd
Baboon?
have my spouse and children back most likely. So yes, I probably
would you
would.
just like to be monkey?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, well, Soy Monkey drinking soy doesn't like drive everyone he's ever loved away.
He's not an abomination.
No, that would be my rampant
as opposed to
alcoholism.
my eternal pissing or Barry Baboon's horrible form.
Just the whole thing. Just Barry Baboon as a whole.
As a concept, he's disgusting.
Yeah, how about that jungle show? Am I right?
Yeah.
That Jungle Show, yes. If you haven't watched the Jungle Show, you should go watch it. It's on YouTube.
If you haven't watched the
episodes
Jungle
1 and
Show,
2.
Look outside
I'll
your
put it up.
window. I'm here.
We're beating you to death right now.
Oh no. It has
I am
Ice
punching the
Monkey in
window.
it. What about that Ice Monkey fella? Boy,
How
he's
about that
scary.
ice
isn't
monkey?
So how about
I don't think he's any threat at all. He's
He's a
definitely
real
not going to
scary
do
fellow.
anything creepy.
Well, yeah, don't worry. Jungle Thick is an exclusive club, so it won't affect anybody else.
It
So
is
it's all
not.
good.
It's
Yeah,
not
if
an
you're not
exclusive
wholesome enough,
club.
you can't get
Stop
it.
saying it. Oh, that's right. I
Yeah,
forgot.
you're not.
Don't-
You're not
I forgot. You can't
you're
be
not-
Jungle Thick if you're not
Ain't that
wholesome.
right? Piss monkey, you fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, my favorite wholesome Twitter account, Cock Monkey.
God, I really love his tweet about shoving his fist in his urethra.
And his bloody urethra, and his dick turning into a mass of blood and gore.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Wholesome 100.
You know, I mean, Pest, you might not have your wife and children, but at least you've got, like, your bachelor friends.
Mm-hmm.
That must be nice.
Yeah, it must be nice indeed.
You can also just like pour yourself a drink whenever you need.
Not gonna lie, my stream cut out, so I have no idea where this conversation came from. But yeah, indeed, sir, indeed.
It didn't.
You were just like, I was like a bachelor. Okay, sure.
Well, that was a fun monkey time podcast, I would say.
Monkey
Yes,
time.
monkey time.
Don't you guys think so?
So no one told me monkeys were gonna have time. So
Oh, baby, I hear the monkeys calling. Hey,
Time.
time.
Wait, what's the other one?
But I don't know what to do with all these monkeys and
All this time.
Everybody.
don't know what to do with all
hates
these monkeys and all time. Why am I cutting out? I'm trying to sing this
What
without
about,
cutting out.
Old Man Time by
But
Joe
I don't
Pesci,
know
but
what
it's
to
monkey
do with
time.
all these monkeys and all the time.
Do it out.
Come
Monkeys.
again.
Monkeys and times. Oh, monkeys and times.
Monkeys! I don't know, I wasn't singing anything that time.
We should do a Monkey Hamilton arc.
No.
Yes.
How does a
No.
monkey...
That nose sounds so pained.
No.
Lin-Manuel Miranda is the ultimate enemy of all monkey kind.
Only real 7th grade Hamilton kids know how much you need to hate Hamilton now.
Man. Only real people really just like hate
Lin-Manuel
fucking
Miranda, if you're listening to this, I respect you, and you've made a really good musical, and you've done some really good work, and I
Has he?
love you for all of that. But also, you can suck my piss.
Log
I'm-
on Twitter.
You are
Boomer
horrible.
Twitter.
I'm obligated to like you because I'm Hispanic.
You are the
a Roach.
least funny person on the planet, aside from us.
Anyway, I'd just like to take a moment. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
Raid?
This video is
Raid.
sponsored by.
Raid?
This video is sponsored by Big Jungle Banana.
This is sponsored by the best Jungle Thick account.
Sith Chimp.
Sith Chimp.
Sith Chimp.
This video is sponsored by the surplus of Jungle Thick accounts that have popped up recently that are all run by people who run Jungle Thick accounts. You don't know which ones though.
Fuck.
But this is sponsored by Bear, who is secretly run by.
Shut up. Oh, make sure to join us next week. We'll have Edward Snowden.
Well, this is sponsored by the exclusive wholesome club Jungle Thick that only certain people.
Make sure to put in your bio hashtag hopes to be in Jungle Thick and DM Joe.
Make sure you DM Joe asking for an invite.
Yeah.
Well,
Make sure you DM at Baboon Jones all day, every
fellow
day.
listeners, I hope you enjoyed listening to Monkey Time. I hope you enjoyed my endless stream of piss.
It's in my mouth.
Oh gosh, the awakened juice is wearing off. I can feel it. I'm reverting to my monkey brain.
Before I go,
Ooh,
listen to
ah.
Ouch by Lilac Queen.
This was Monkey Time. I hope you enjoyed our episode. Monkey Time.
Give I food. I
I
want
am Roach, indeed. Signing out. Goodbye, everybody. Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.